Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jay Shah, currently pursuing a degree in IT, and I am on my mission to become a data analyst. In this Zero to Hero series, I am going to taking you a journey to master data analytics from scratch. So, what exactly is this series about? Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience in data analysis, this series is designed to help you gain the skill and knowledge you need to become a proficient data analysis. Here's a quick overview of what we will cover in this series. First, introduction to data analysis. Understanding the basic and importance of data in today's world. Second, essential skill for data analytics. The key skill you need, both technical or soft skill. Third, tools and technology. From Excel and SQL to Python and Tableau. Fourth, data preparation. How to clean and pre-process your data for analysis. Fifth, exploratory data analysis. Techniques to explore and visualize your data. 6. Advanced analysis. Introduction to statistical analysis and machine learning. 7th. Practical application. Real world cases, studies and project. 8. Career development. Building your portfolio, preparing for interview and obtaining certificates. This series is packed with valuable content that will help you to build a solid foundation in data analysis. Whether you are looking to start a career in data analysis, enhance your current skill, or just explore the new field, this series is for you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of upcoming videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss this journey from zero to hero in data analysis. Alright, let's dive into the world of data analysis. See you in the next video where we'll start with what is data analysis, understanding the basic. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.